Period.
Parsley! Where did you buy this? Would you rather eat shit that tasted like chocolate or eat chocolate that tasted like crap? Just found out we are supposed to cook the meat for like 5 hours. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film a cooking video, which is new. I'm here with my friend Jereco.
Hi guys.
And what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make tacos de birria.
He knows how to pronounce this.
Not mistaken.
We've seen this all over TikTok and it looks so freaking good, so we wanted to try it out. But we have no idea what we're gonna do.
Plus, we don't have all the
ingredients.
ingredients.
But we do love like Mexican style food, so I'm super excited. I'm just really curious to see what it's gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna see what
turn out. Family rules: help each other, be thankful, know your love, pay with hugs and kisses, try new things, be happy, show compassion, be grateful.
Period.
Okay, so we're gonna recreate the video from I forgot his name. The Parsley guy on Twitter and TikTok. Parsley!
Okay, so this is the meat that we're gonna do.
Where did you buy this?
Huh?
What? Where did you buy this?
At the Lidl.
The Lidl.
The Lidl.
The Lidl.
Where was my hand
Yeah.
first? Because coronavirus.
Even before coronavirus.
Would you like to have wine? Or would you like to have desperados?
Desperados.
Yeah.
We're having a real Mexican night.
Oh, I do have
Literally
lemon.
4 p.m. Oh. Oh no.
No?
Oh. Dat doe je mooi. I love that sound.
Yeah, me. Or not. Push it. Push it.
To the limit, and I'm in it to win it, to in it. Oh!
Oh.
Haven't had one of these in so long. It's also gonna be a drunk video.
We're not promoting alcoholic drinks or whatever. But if desperados want to sponsor us, they're not saying no anyway.
Oh, I hate touching. Oh, I let Jereco do the groceries, so I have no idea what we're making actually. Oh, that looks so scary.
It's just meat.
Yeah, I'm not really into meat anymore. Okay, while Jereco is cooking the meat, or not cooking, preparing the meat, I'm gonna ask him some questions to make this more interesting. Would you rather have more time or more money?
If I'm being honest at the moment, we have enough time.
I was gonna
time.
say, yeah.
So, money will do.
That was the show, thank you. This is such a dumb question. Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? Hopefully, both.
Well, I think, oh that's weird.
Yeah.
When I think about it. I think I'd rather have someone who loves me.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
Nah, I don't know.
It's a weird question.
This is a horrible question. Also a horrible one. Would you rather eat shit that tasted like chocolate or eat chocolate that tasted like crap? Oh my god.
Whoa.
I think I would just eat a chocolate that tastes like shit so I could just like swallow it really quickly and just get over it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
eat shit.
I think you might die. Would you rather experience the beginning of planet Earth or the end? Well, I feel like we're gonna experience the end. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, I'd rather experience the end of the world, I guess.
No. Ooh, I wouldn't want to experience it, but I think we will. While Jereco's cutting the meat, I'm gonna make the like sauce. We were supposed to marinate this all overnight. We're not gonna do that because we are hungry right now. Oh, I hate when this happens. Do you have a can opener?
Yeah, I have. Otherwise we can always do it the Asian way.
What is the Asian way?
Just with a knife.
Oh, that's not very smart, is it?
I don't want you to break a nail or something.
Flick of the wrist.
Aye.
Aye. I'm gonna be making like a marinade. So we need some, what is this called? Crushed tomatoes, I guess. I'm gonna link his TikTok down below because we're doing something completely different. We don't have half of the ingredients, like I said, and half of the herbs we didn't really feel like buying, so instead we just have these Mexican taco herbs. And
I think
pepper.
after this nobody's gonna invite us to our Mexican party.
We're not invited to the carne asada. You never do that again.
Yeah, we can't listen to music, you guys, because otherwise, you know.
We'll get copyrighted, but if we would, there would be some Latin music playing right now.
Definitely some Bad Bunny, yeah?
Bad Bunny. Waarom?
Are you okay?
Oh, die peper? Dat kan niet, toch?
Secretly she has COVID.
That was a little bit scary. Anyways.
Just cutting the chili.
But this knife is not doing it for me. I can't do it, man. You're the Gordon Ramsay. Wow. Beautiful. I can't do shit. Plot warning. I already cut myself. Oh no. Oh no! Why can't I do shit? And I also got pepper in that little wound.
Flash.
It hurts. Hey! Jereco is now continuing with the sauce.
Don't want you to cut yourself again.
Again, we're cooking the meat. And this marinade sauce, whatever. Crushed tomatoes. Some spicy peppers, garlic. And this Mexican herb mix, because we're lazy. Just found out we are supposed to cook the meat for like 5 hours. We're not gonna do that. This is gonna be one big mess. Massive change of plans, because we just found out that you're supposed to cook this meat for like 5 hours. Or you could put it in a crock pot, but we don't have that. So I think we're gonna throw it in the blender. This is such a flop. Oh, that's perfect. We're gonna make a pulled beef by putting it in there. That's not gonna work at all.
Oh.
Maybe it will work. I don't know.
Pray for us.
We're such amateurs.
For real. Oh, but it smells Mexican though.
I'm scared. Oh, I think this is actually perfect.
Is it working?
I think so.
It kinda is.
I guess. Ooh, that is a good substance for like pulled beef. Oh, I like this. You put too much in. Ew. This is our chicken stock. And then you're supposed to put in fresh cinnamon. We don't have that. Bay leaves.
And when I came back, saute some onions through the entire bowl in the pot. And
Now we're supposed to let it sit for 5 hours, which we're not gonna do. I think we're gonna let it simmer for an hour instead of 5. Jereco.
Hi, my name is Jereco.
That was so weird. Jereco is gonna make me some lumpias.
Yeah, but there is some carrots in it though.
That's fine.
So
I'll live.
we'll see, and then we'll.
Maybe we'll need my EpiPen. And did you hear that crunch? Jereco did the groceries, like I said. And he bought real tacos instead of like soft corn tortillas.
Tortillas.
So
I'm so sorry.
we're gonna put these in the oven to like get them ready, then put them in the little sauce, and then put them in the pan for a little while, and they'll probably go okay. Okay, so we're getting the meat out, then dipping the tacos, which should have been tortillas, in the sauce, I guess. Then putting the meat and the cheese in the taco, and then putting it in another pan to get it ready. But this meal doesn't have any like vegetables.
An onion is vegetable.
Let's put the taco. Well, should we put some oil in the pan or not? You're supposed to prepare tacos in the oven, but I just realized we're just gonna skip that. We're winging it. Jereco's mom is laughing at us, but that's fine. We deserve it.
Why is mom talking about grandchildren?
Taco.
Tacos?
Dip it in the sauce. Yeah, yes, that looks good. Oh, and that also sounds good. And then we'll put cheese and the meat inside. And I guess that's it.
Okay, cheese and then the meat. What kind of meat though?
You're such a dickhead. Literally a dick. That's
Wow,
a little bit
that's-
pathetic.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why is it still watery?
That's what good pussy sounds like. Lach maar. This is actually going a lot better than we expected, because the tacos are getting like soft, like a tortilla. They look pretty damn good.
Maybe too? Yes. So good. It's actually not bad.
It's good.
There could be more.
Mm-hmm. But it's nice.
What is it? It's nice.
That's better. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't really chew it well. That's really bad. Because one of my New Year's resolutions, chew.
Cut the cameras. Dead end.
I didn't feel us eating because we were eating with Jereco's mom, and that would be really weird. But I liked it.
Me too. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be at the beginning because...
Not necessarily at the beginning, but when we realized we were doing stuff wrong.
Yeah. Especially when he said, cook it for 5 hours. And we were like,
You get 5 minutes. But next time we'd get tortillas, but they were actually got soft really well in the pan.
Yeah, so it wasn't that bad.
Great job. And some more spices instead of just random spice mix. But
yeah.
It was really good. So I'd give it a 7.5.
Like a 7.
Just,
Between 7 and 8.
yeah, that's a 7.5.
My mom said it was an 8,
Yeah.
so... But I don't know.
So, I don't know if this video is going to be any good, but I hope you enjoyed anyways. I hope you'll make this meal. I'll put down the video below that we used, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Hasta la próxima.